Honey wraps to cure cough and eliminate mucus from the lungs. Coughing is one of those involuntary bodily functions that is uncomfortable, painful, and annoying, all at the same time. This is especially true when you work in an office or when you share a small space with others. Coughs can linger for a seemingly long time, well after the virus or the infection that caused it is gone. From this homemade remedy, you will need raw organic honey, coconut oil, flour, napkins, adhesives, medical tape. How to make a honey wrap. Starting by mixing a teaspoon of flour with some honey. Add warm coconut oil. Apply to a napkin and place in the center of your chest with medical tape. Keep applied overnight for optimal results. After you first use, you should notice an improvement in your cough. If the cough is still present, keep applying the honey wrap several times over the course of 1 week. How does this work? Honey is something called a superfood. That means that it usually has many benefits when consumed and is usually nutrient dense. Honey often recommended by doctors to treat coughs and sore throats. The honey wrap focuses on your lungs, which is likely the source of your cough. The honey is absorbed into the body directly above the lungs. This allows your body to absorb it into your system quickly. Another helpful ingredient that is likely already in your home is coconut oil. Coconut oil seems to be able to cure everything, and coughs are no different. Coconut oil is high in lauric acid, which helps to break down what that virus is hiding in your body. Coconut oil is also unnatural, so there are no associated side effects. Please understand that it is of great importance to check for any sensitivity to any of the other ingredients in this recipe before applying. This is of the utmost importance for children. An allergic reaction in a child can quickly become severe, requiring immediate medical attention. To test for a reaction, apply a very small amount of the paste to your patient's arm. Watch closely for any swelling or redness. If any redness or swelling occurs, do not use this treatment in any capacity for that person.